What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Dang straight. Today we're going to keep the camera this way. Look at all these leaves on the ground. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. See if we can get him. Oh, can I really not zoom in on the video? It's not going to let me zoom in. Damn it. Alright, you see him way back there. If you look really closely. Homie's still there. That's what I think I'm looking over here. I don't know, you can't really see him because the tree's down. I don't know, I think you can see him. I don't know if you can or not. But look at all this. My gosh, look what the rain has done. The rain has destroyed the ground officially. So many leaves and stuff. This place is destroyed. Destroyed with leaves. I'm gonna try to get a good shot on that bird. There he is. We will get the almighty bird. Oh crap, there he goes. Dang, there's a little bird too. Damn. And just like that, he's gone. He's been spooked. Damn, but look at this. The ground has been destroyed. I don't know, it's a video / vlog. Whatever, it's just whatever, okay? We do what we want on this channel. Sometimes the videos, sometimes the vlogs, doesn't matter. One way or another, it's a video and it's entertaining. At least I hope it's entertaining. Look at this, this is crazy, all these leaves and stuff. People are gonna have to pick this up. Glad they ain't gonna be me, that's for damn sure. But yeah, it's just a lot of leaves. I don't know if you're all gonna watch this video, but if you do, you do. And yeah. Oh my gosh. Jeez, oh peas. There's lots and lots and lots and lots of leaves. We've got a dry spot and everything. It's crazy. Oh damn, the bird left. Okay, well, this is gonna be a short little video. I don't want to make it too long. I feel like it'd just be, I feel like it'd be boring if it was long. Because who wants to walk this whole trail and just look at leaves? Probably nobody. But yeah, it's gonna be first. So make sure y'all like, subscribe. We got a bird. Like, subscribe, and peace out. The almighty bird.